Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. If your Shopify store is unavailable, you are at the right place because in this video I will tell you how you can fix your Shopify store unavailable issue so that it is available to all the users and your store is live so anyone can make the purchases using your store. So here I am in my Shopify store dashboard, and to make it live I will have to go to the online store, and here I will have to go to preferences, and here when you will scroll down, here you will see that this box is checked. If this is not grayed out like in my case, then you can just uncheck it and you can click on save and your store will be live. But to make this change, like currently you can see I cannot make this store live because I have not purchased a Shopify plan. So to purchase the plan, first we need to go to the settings, and here we need to go to billings, and here we can scroll down and we can view the subscriptions, and here you can see that we are currently on the development plan, so we will have to change it. So for that we will go to manage and we will click on change plan, and here you can see several Shopify plans. So if you are just starting, you can click on this select basic one, and here you will have to enter your payment details and you can make the payment for the first month, and then you can close this and come back to preferences. And now after making the payment you will see that this box is not grayed out, so you can just uncheck it and you can click on save changes, and once that is done you can view your online store, and here you will see your store URL. You can just copy it and you can go to the incognito tab and you can view your store as a user and you will be able to see your store. So here you can see currently I have to enter the password because I don't have a plan. So you can just follow the video to make sure you have a plan and your Shopify store will be available for the online shoppers. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.